गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आपका एक्सक्रीशन अभी कंटिन्यूड है और लाइव प्रोसेसेस का इन प्रीवियस क्लासेस you have studied about the structure of nephron, as it is earlier described that the basic unit of kidney or the functional unit of kidney is nephron. So it is the basic unit which perform the function of uh, excretion, that is filtration of blood taking place for the excretion or removal of nitrogenous waste product from the body. So this is the structure of a nephron. Here a cup shaped structure that is called Bowman's capsule. Within there is a groove where the blood vessels, fine network of blood vessels are there. It is called glomerulus. This is your glomerulus, and here the main filtration work takes place. As the diameter of afferent is more than these fine blood vessels, it will create or exert an pressure, and due to that pressure through the blood, certain waste material along with certain useful things like water, glucose, salt, etc. are also pushed in the lumen of Bowman's capsule. So upon the pressure exerted by the blood vessels, so this filtrate is called glomerular filtrate, and this filtration takes place within the glomerulus. This is why that it is called glomerular filtration. The first step, there are mainly 4 steps for urine formation or for removal of nitrogenous waste. So the first is glomerular filtration, as it is done by or with the help of glomerulus. It is called glomerulus filtration, and it is also called as ultrafiltration. Ultra filtration is the common process. Filtration is simple process by which certain big molecules or big particles are separated by using a sieve or by using a filter paper. But minute particles are not filtered out by using a sieve or filter paper. So here this filtration is called ultrafiltration, as minute particles are filtered out. So it takes place in glomerulus. This is why that it is called glomerular filtration. So it occurs in glomerulus under high pressure, forcing the substance dissolved in blood into Bowman's capsule. Here now the filtrate consisting of water, glucose, and the organic or inorganic waste product all comes in the lumen, and this lumen consists of a long tubular structure. This is the renal tubule part of the nephron. So it has many parts. This tubule part, the first, that is called PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, and the distant, it is called DCT, distal convoluted tubules. Here reabsorption takes place. Certain substances along with harmful substances, some useful substances are also pushed under pressure within the lumen. So water, glucose, and other salts are which are essential to our body. So it is absorbed in this tubule, that is called PCT, loop of Henle, or DCT. This reabsorption, then filtration, thereafter there is a reabsorption. This reabsorption is also called selective reabsorption. Selective reabsorption. Selective means selected substances are absorbed. Not all the substances are absorbed, only selected. This is why that it is called selective reabsorption takes place within the tubule. So The blood then passes through the tubular part of the nephron, where useful substances such as glucose, amino acid, salts, and major amount of water, almost 75% of water is again reabsorbed by the lumen of the tubule, and here reabsorption takes place. So first glomerular filtration, then selective reabsorption, then this urine formed in each kidney enters a long tube called ureter. This distal convoluted tubules also, here tubular secretion takes place along with organic creatine, and other harmful substances are absorbed, and urine is formed. This urine through collecting duct sent to the ureter. So through ureter it is conveyed to the a bladder like structure that is called urinary bladder, and here urine is stored, and under pressure and under stimulation from time to time it is expelled out, it is removed out through urethra. So urine is stored in urinary bladder and from time to time pass it out through urethra. In this way urine or the filtration work or excretion takes place within the human body. Now urine, you must know the composition of urine. Urine consists of mainly water 96%, organic substance 2.5%, inorganic substance 1.5%, organic creatine and other substances, urea, uric acid, these are the organic substances. So along with water, these organic and inorganic substances, potassium ion, sodium ion, and certain salts are inorganic substance. So this, in this way, the mechanism of kidney is done or maintained, worked out for the purpose of excretion. Now excretion in plants. How does excretion takes place in plants? As you know that in plants there is no well organized excretory system is found like animals. This is why that plants also excrete some harmful or metabolic waste from the body, but the method differs from that of animals. In animals, there is a particular organ for this purpose, but among the plants, there is no particular organs developed for the purpose of excretion or removal of metabolic waste product. So, ways of excreting waste differ from that of animals. No doubt, plants also excrete various waste products during their life processes, during their metabolic activities. As for example, suppose mm, during respiration carbon dioxide is formed, and this carbon dioxide is must given out. So it is, so plants release gaseous waste such as CO2 and O2 through stomata and lenticel. First of all, you know one thing, CO2 during respiration it is also formed, and O2 during photosynthesis it is formed. So O2 is produced as a byproduct. Some materials O2 is not harmful, it is useful substance. This is why that it is called byproduct. So during photosynthesis, not only food is synthesized, starch is formed, but O2 is also released as a byproduct, which is very useful. So in metabolic removal or metabolic products removed from the body, it is, it may be waste material as well as byproduct which is formed during the physiological activities. Stomata, it is already known to you, the minute pores present mainly on the undersurface of the leaves. So through stomata it plays an important role in gaseous exchange. Lenticel, the gap found between the trunk or big stem of the trees or big plants, this is called lenticel. Through this lenticel, some gaseous or waste products are given out. Plants get rid of excess water, or plant expel excess water. It whatever